Hi Ed, Teresita here. Just wanting to leave you a personal message testimonial. So today I just got done with all three modules, the offer codex, the making sales, and the signature program creation. So today's meeting was very, very informative. I feel great about my decision to join COA. You have made it completely fail-proof almost. You just make it so simple for us to be able to succeed with your step-by-step, your free funnels, your system is just amazing. And I'm so glad I went with you as opposed to the other two that I was looking into. Again, you have made it completely simple for us to follow, and the support is incredible through Facebook. I know I post a question and I get an answer right away, and your team is amazing. You are a genius, I have to say. Not just sugarcoating this, but I have to say that you're pretty darn awesome, and I thank you for creating this amazing program for all of us to follow so that we can become successful in the coaching field. Again, thank you, and I'll see you around. Take care.